Nitrous oxide really helped a lot. It made you just very relaxed. Some of the processes were a little difficult. However, the interaction with the staff and everything that had been explained to me, so there was no surprises. My name is Kevin McCoo, and the treatment I received at Dr. Jenkins was complete implants, top and bottom. It was a lengthy experience. It took some time, but the end result is just fantastic. I'm able to eat foods I hadn't eaten in a while. I can have a steak, I can have corn on the cob, I can eat nuts. It's given me a new confidence. It's given me the fact that I can walk into a room, not hide my teeth, not be afraid to smile, and it makes my personal interactions with others a lot easier than it was prior. You can't get a better job done than here at Jenkins Dental. I've said it many times, the professionalism, the caring attitude, it's beyond expectations. I had a really, really positive experience here.